My name is Amit Vik. For last 1.5 years, I took my passion and I started writing. So I was writing blogs and a lot of people gave me positive feedback about my blogs. Some gave me very healthy critical feedback. So they were goods, they were bads, they were right choices. So I thought it's better to talk to people on a video mode. Why? Because a lot of queries came into my life through emails, through blogs, asking me what are those 10 rules which I have been following in my life till date to make it a better and a successful life. So I thought it's better to connect with everyone on the video and share those 10 goals which I have been practicing since my school days when I was in Kasauli. So my rule number 1 is think big and stretch as possible as you can. It is very important to have larger goals. It is very important to have bigger goals. I call it bhags, which are big, hairy, audacious goals. If you don't think big, you miss out on life. Your challenges are always opportunities. Whenever adversities will hit you, it means you're getting a good opportunity to bank on. Make the best use of such adversities and opportunities. You will never fail. My second goal, which I have always been following, is follow your passion. It is very important to understand your own self. हम जिंदगी गुजार देते हैं समझने में कि दूसरे का पैशन क्या है. हम भूल जाते हैं कि हमारा अपना पैशन क्या है. उस पैशन को आइडेंटिफाई करना सबसे रिलीजियस प्रैक्टिस होती है. I could always tell myself and identify myself that this is the passion for which I am born. Trust me, last 14 to 15 years, I have been living my dream. I have been living my passion and I have never failed. So be passionate about yourself. Be ready to invest your own self and you will see yourself growing. Third, and the most important thing which I want to tell you, which I have followed over years and which people actually miss out, is be fearless. Life में कभी किसी से डरो मत. Life में कभी भी low esteem पे मत आओ. Life में कभी भी किसी और को अपने से ज़्यादा confident मत समझो. We always become fearful for people, for circumstances, for situations. Trust me, never be fearful. Have the guts to rise up to your own dreams. Have the guts to think about those unachievable dreams which are possible to achieve. If you become fearless, trust me, no one can stop your progress. It is very important to be fearless, to be gutsy and keep walking always. My fourth goal, which I have always practiced, is always be disciplined and punctual. Without discipline and punctual, no one can become a good athlete. No one can do anything bigger in life. It is very important to first be punctual and disciplined. I have seen in my own life where people put an alarm of 7 o'clock and they get up at 7:30. There is no point putting alarm at 7:30 if you wish to get up late. Always align your goals towards your discipline and punctuality. People often take punctuality as time. Time is not just punctuality. Punctuality is very small effort in building up your own life and being honest to your own self. It is very important for every one of you to have an honest conversation with your own self. Once you do your honest conversation with your own self, you identify the issues of discipline and punctuality with you. Time management is a skill. Learn as soon as possible. My fifth goal in life, which I practice, is stop making excuses. In life, there are 1,000 ways to say no, and there is only one effort to say yes. There is no point of making excuses if your passion lies somewhere else. Give your 100% to your passion. Give 100% to your discipline. Give 100% to your punctuality once your effort has started. There is no point making excuses and then liquidating your entire effort which you have made for a very longer time. Stick to your effort. It will definitely give you what you wanted. My sixth goal is always about never giving up. This is the most important strategy of life. People tend to give up after some hard work when they see that they are not getting results. It is not like that. Success only comes when you have patience. Success only comes when you keep working hard. There is nothing like working hard. Destiny might or might not play a significant in your life, but definitely your hard work is going to pay. People often give up when success is very close by. I have seen people losing patience in saying nahi ho raha. ऐसे ही चलता है, ट्रस्ट मी नहीं चलता। आप कभी भी अपने गोल पे गिव अप मत कीजिए, क्योंकि जब आप अपने गोल पे गिव अप करते हो तो आप जीरो पे आ जाते हो और आप भूल जाते हो आप कहां से चले थे और आपको कहां पहुंचना है। सो नेवर गिव अप, हैव द स्पिरिट ऑफ कीप हैंगिंग। विनर्स हैंग, losers lose. My seventh goal is the very important goal which I have followed. Why? Because I come from a very small town of Kasauli, and this goal is very relevant for all the people who come from small town. They suffer from a syndrome known as लोग क्या बोलेंगे, सोसाइटी क्या सोचेगी। ट्रस्ट मी, ऐसा कुछ भी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता, ये सिर्फ आपके माइंड में एग्जिस्ट करता है और मैंने अपने माइंड में ये चीज कभी भी एग्जिस्ट नहीं करने दी। सो द गोल इज नेवर केयर अबाउट पीपल, नेवर केयर अबाउट सोसाइटी। ट्रस्ट मी, जब आप लाइफ में कुछ अच्छा काम शुरू करना करते हो तो लोग बोलते हैं ये क्यों कर रहा है। जब आप लाइफ में कुछ नहीं करते तो लोग बोलते हैं ये कुछ नहीं कर रहा। रिमेंबर, पीपल विल ट्राई टू पुट हर्डल्स ऑन द वे ऑफ द पर्सन who is capable of walking and capable of running. Don't get into the deep peep strategy of people. Deep peep means कि जिंदगी में दूसरों के घर में क्या चल रहा है, दूसरों की लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है, आपको पीप करना है। Stay away from this. People and society play no role, no significant role in your life. Your life is your responsibility. No one is going to come and rescue you when you will be in bad times. People are friends in good times. Titles, designations play a role only when you are doing good in life. Otherwise, people will always put bottlenecks. People will always put hurdles in your way. Rise above people. Rise above society. Trust me, don't even look at them. And then you will definitely do good. My next goal is change your lens. Very important. At times, we keep judging people. We form an opinion which is permanent in nature in our head about people. Trust me, you change, people also change. Change the way you look at people. Change the way you come across a problem. Change the way you think. Once you do this, even people will start changing their lens towards you. It is very important to keep changing your lens. It is very important to keep sharpening your lens. If you want to do big in life, you need to change. And this change can only happen when your perception about your own self improves. Trust me, you are more capable. You have more potential in life to do what at the moment you are doing. So change the lens, change life. My ninth goal is stay humble. It is very important to manage your success. Never let the success go into your head. It is very important to stay humble. If you stay humble, this is your strength. Trust me, I have seen people failing after success also. There is no point of being successful if you are not compassionate. There is no point of having bigger goals and conquering them if you don't have empathy towards people. Titles, cabins, visiting cards, designations make no sense. Sense which makes is your humility towards each other. Try to lift people. Try to earn people. There are two types of growth in life. One is the status growth and secondary is the monetary growth. If you run after monetary growth, status might come, might not come. I can't guarantee. But if you run after status growth, monetary will always follow you. And that is what is important in life. To be successful and to be humble. Make humility your strength. I have always tried to be humble in my life. At times I have been successful, at times I have failed. But trust me, I have tried to learn from my failures and inculcate this value in my personal life. My last goal is there is no tomorrow. We often keep waiting about tomorrow. We postpone our dreams. We postpone our desires. Thinking आज नहीं तो कल तो हो ही जाएगा. Trust me, वक्त का मतलब होता है अब. Tomorrow will never come. Millions of people sleep in the life thinking they will get up tomorrow morning and then they will think about their goals. 500,000 of population of the world at that time even doesn't get up to see a new morning. What about their desires and dreams? It has gone. Never postpone your passion for tomorrow. Never postpone your dreams and desires for tomorrow. Whatever you want to conquer, अभी conquer कीजिए. Because कल आएगा नहीं आएगा किसी को कुछ नहीं पता. Secondly, always remember, when tomorrow comes in your life, that will not come as tomorrow, that will come as present. Hence, these were my 10 goals which I have been following. याद रखिए, ये 10 गोल अमित के हैं, आपके नहीं। जब आप अपनी लाइफ के गोल्स बनाओ, उन्हें लिमिटलेस बनाइए, उन्हें बिना किसी बाउंडेशन के लिए बनाइए। मे बी some of you might find these goals fit in your life and someone just can discard it. But the idea is that make your goals. Without goals, there is no purpose. Without purpose, there is no life. So, I created Platform of Dreams Unlimited so that I can touch people's life. I created Dreams Unlimited so that I can add some kind of value of my last 20 years of work experience into people's life. I created Dreams Unlimited to inspire people. I created Dreams Unlimited to aspire people to think big, deliver big, transform their life, add value to their life. Hence, my request to you is to listen to these videos which I will keep posting and make sure these videos add value to your life. That is the purpose of my life. Thank you.